Hi everyone, this is Cindy of Creating the Heart, and I'm back with another Tuesday morning haul. Basically, I'm on the hunt to find a couple of the tonic dyes that I just think I really love them, but they're also an amazing price. So I have not been able to find them. So one was the Toy Shop dye, and the other was the Christmas Crackers dye. But no worries, because I still found some really amazing things that I'm excited about. So first, I found this Maggie Holmes 12 by 12 flourish. I have not been able to find the 12 by 12 at my Tuesday morning, and one of the Tuesday mornings I went to happened to have it. So $6.99, and the number for this is 2055851. And then let's see what else I found here. And one of the things that someone said in one of the videos that I've been watching on hauls is that all of the tonic numbers, SKU numbers, are the same. So during this video, I'm going to compare that and see if that's the case or not, because I don't know if it is. I did find this, which I thought was really cute. This is a much older American Crafts. It's 2012, and it's $1.49. The number for this is 2043860. It's an accent and phrase stickers. I'm not exactly sure. It might be bundled up, maybe. Really, really cute. Kind of old. They only had this one just kind of floating around. So I went ahead and got it. I did buy these because I am going to be working on kind of a special little crafting project for the weekend of Black Friday. I don't know that I'm actually going to go out and do any shopping on Black Friday. Generally, I like to go out after Black Friday has started, because I find that it's not as crowded. I just don't like dealing with crowds anymore. I prefer to buy things online. So I'm going to do a special Black Friday crafting project thing. So this is going to go with that, I think, that project I'm going to do. So I did pick this up because I think this will go really well with my plan. And this is $1993402. It's $1.99. You get 8 cards and 8 envelopes, and you get this really pretty silver. And I did see other card and envelope sets that were more money and were 5x7 and were a little bit more money. But I opted to get this because I thought the silver was pretty. So I did get that. I got this, so I almost have this whole collection, which is the, except the paper, I think I have the 6x6. This is the Miscellaneous Me by Bo Bunny. It's 96 journaling cards, and they're small. So they're 2x2, 3x3, and 4x4 double-sided cards. But they're really, really cute. So you got little mini ones and things like that. So they're good for pocket scrapbooking, which I don't really do, but they're good for embellishments. You can use them as tags on card fronts. Really, really cute. So that is $2.99, and it's 2055845. And then I've got some tonic. Now, I don't know if I had this one or not. If I do, I'm definitely going to, give it away. So let me look at the numbers for all of these. 193. 02052. Oh yeah, they're right. So all these numbers are the same. And what someone noticed in a video that I watched previously was that if the number ended in a 3, like these ones end in 193, that they're $3.99. If they end in 194, they're $4.99. So these numbers are all the same. So I don't know if telling you the number is going to be helpful to you. If you want me to tell you the number, I will. Just ask, but they're all the same. So I don't know why that is. But I did find the Santas. This is the Santa Claus Trio. And this one is $3.99. They said the normal price is $7.99, but I had looked these up, and I believe the normal price for this is, I want to say $12.99 or $14.99. So definitely more money than the $7.99 that they are saying. But they're really cute. Wish I could find the gingerbread one. I really like them. I did buy this one, even though I know that we're not in Halloween. And actually this weekend, I might not be crafting very much because I have to chaperone debate, and I have to clean up my house because I need the cleaner to come, and there's just no way. Every bit of floor in my bedroom is taken up with craft stuff. So I got to pack up Halloween and all that. But so this will get packed away. It's very cute, though. I really like it. It's called Spooktacular, and you get 2 metal dies, so you get the border, sort of the outline die as well. And it's very cute. So it's $3.99, and I just really liked that one. And then this one I did mention that I wasn't sure whether I had this one or not. If I do, I am going to give it away because it is sort of the month of gratitude. And so I do have some giveaways planned for the month. I just need to get my act together. And so I'll check and see whether I have that or not. I do have a die in trade. So if anyone finds the Christmas crackers die or the Toy Emporium die and they want to trade with me, I have this one to trade. Okay, so this one is the George and Dragon die set. So I do have that to trade if someone is interested. If I don't find somebody to trade with me, then I will give that away. I did find 2 Tim Holtz stamps that I don't have. Both really cute. I really like them, actually. This one, the number is 2002086. It's $4.99, and it's got 4 stamps, and they're very cute. So you got a snowflake, a snowman, like a nutcracker, and a tree. And this one is an ornament, a stocking, a wreath, and ice skate. So that's cute. I don't know if I can give the number for this one. 2002088, $4.99. Okay, so those are that. And then moving on to my last bit of goodies. So this I'm going to kind of not put out because I'm giving that away. That's part of a giveaway I'm doing. Okay, so I've got this one. Let me compare if the numbers are the same for this. 2051, yep, same number. So I did get this Paris Landmarks, which I thought was cute. It's $4.99, and so I was ready to give you the thing, but I think it's very cute. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to use this. Really like it. Maybe I'll go to Paris again. That's really cute. And I actually got 2 of those, so one will be part of a giveaway at some point. So stay tuned for that. I did get this one. I had not seen this one before. It's $9.99. Kind of weird. I feel like it's kind of expensive. Like, this one costs more than the Santa one. And, like, you get, like, a lot more bang for your buck. But it's cute. And it's 2052196. I don't see that number anywhere, but I'm sure all the 9.99s are that price. Let me take a look and see, because I have a $9.99 one right here. Yeah, they are. So they're all the same price. So this George and Dragon die is the same. So go figure. But it's $9.99. It's super cute. It looks like it's fairly easy to paper piece this, which is nice. I did get this one. I was really hoping to get the bunny or the fox, but they did have this funny little crocodile. So I got him. He's $4.99. And he's pretty cute, so you could do some things with him. I mean, you can have him without a hat, without him being on this, like, lily pad thing. He can just be by himself. So, it's cute. And it doesn't look difficult to paper piece. Like, some of the girl dies are super much of a pain. This one is an older Desire. I know I saw some people hauling this, like, a while ago. And they didn't have it at any of the places I went to, and they had 2 of them there. I only picked up this one. It said estimated value $21.95. It's $4.99. The number is 2047302, and it's a pretty large die. But again, looks pretty easy to put together. They give you some examples, which I like. And then the last thing that I got. Now, they had a bunch of 12 by 12s, and I resisted buying them. If they had the Pebbles one, I saw people hauling that it was a little bit more money. I think it was a $9.99 Pebbles pad. I really liked that one. I might have broke down and got it, but I didn't get the two that were there. They had a 12 by 12 of the Very Merry, a ton of it, and they had a 12 by 12 of Holly Jolly or another one. And so I did not get it. So, but they do have that. So if that's something you're looking for, they do have the 12 by 12 of this. But I do like the little one. So I did get the little one. You know, I like the plaids and things. So I did get that one. And the number for this one is 1975289. It's $2.99 and it's by American Crafts. So I was proud of myself for resisting some of the items. So I'm going to look around and see, you know, what I want to do for my first giveaway of the month. So let me know in the comments if you guys have gotten lucky finding tonic dies, and if you are like me and find the pricing kind of a little bit odd. Oh, I will say that I did ask the people there Tuesday morning, and I asked them, you know, about these dies and if they knew anything about it. And they said, oh, I think there's a Sizzix, which these are not Sizzix, promotion sale coming up on the 18th. So I don't know if that's true or not, if he was just saying that to like get me out of the store because they don't answer my questions and he's just tired of crafty ladies. But so anyway, make sure you check your Tuesday morning ads. They should get emailed to you Sunday morning. I think it's every other week, but who knows. And check and see if there's anything in there that is crafty related, because he said that he had seen something about some sort of Sizzix dies. Don't know. I was asking him for tonic dies, but that's cool. So he did answer my question about that. So we'll see if that shows up. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy with the Heart.